Hello friends, my name is Siddhant and this video tutorial is for BizTalkNet.com. Today we will talk about Xampp. So what is Xampp? From where you can download it, the steps you have to follow while you are installing it, and its configuration. So Xampp is a free and open source platform. It is a web server, so it is quite simple, lightweight, that makes it extremely easy for developers to create a local web server for testing purpose where they can test their websites. Xampp is support cross-platform, which means you are free to select your operating system. You can use it on Linux, Mac and Windows. So let's go from where you can download it. So you can download it from apachefriends.org. There you will find three options for download. You can download it for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So I'm using it Windows. So I have already downloaded it. So once you will download, you will get this install file. So just start installation. Just click yes. So you have to click yes. It's related with antivirus. This is UAC account. Just click OK. Then click next. This all are default option. Just click next. It will ask you in which drive you want to install. Just click next, next and next. So installation is started. I will pause this video. Okay, so once the installation will complete, you can see the following window. Just click on finish and it will ask this Xampp control panel will open. So you can directly go and click on start, but maybe you will get an error because whenever you have a Skype installed in your machine, so the default port 80 is used by Skype, and Xampp is also trying to connect the same port, so that's why you will get this error. You can see error, the port number 443 and PID 8808. So to solve this error, you have to go in config. Just click on SSL config. Just search for 443. You will find here 443. Just replace it by some other port number. I will replace it by 487. Search next. Just replace it by 487 or whatever number you like. Just find next and all done. Just save this file, and you have to also check the another config file. This is, I think, the same one. You have to search for 80 port. So just replace that 80 number by some other number. I will use 486. Search another 80 and just replace it by 486. The last change 486. Search next, and I think it's done. Just click save. So now you have changed the port numbers. So just click on start, and now it's successfully started. You can see the port numbers are changed. Here you will also get MySQL, that is our database. So that service you have to start, and that's it. Your Xampp server is successfully installed and started. So thanks for watching video. You can subscribe and share this video. You can also follow us on Facebook page, that is BizTalkNet, and you can also visit my website biztalknet.com. Thank you.